Hello, I am Erika. I was traveling in Peru. I meet Machu Picchu and I want to share my experience. As you know, I am getting to know Lima and Machu Picchu has me love. This photo was my favorite among many. You can see the ruins of the ancient Inca. They are more than 600 years ago. It is wonderful. I feel free with a pace where experience. It's very big. You get to feel so tiny and so much immensity. It's beautiful. The view is perfect. I like everything, but especially as everyone shares that feeling of peace and happiness. Incredible. In the photo, I am wearing a typical poncho from Peru. They take around 500 to 600 hours to prepare and expect it to last forever. I hope to return soon. I want to know much more about this beautiful country. You should come. See you soon. Thanks.